hello everyone. Welcome to our very first podcast. I am Mayat Minyar.
And I am Bernal Christian Paul Pajaldo.
So, for today's podcast, we'll be talking about the essence of freedom and the importance of the Philippine Independence Day, which will be celebrated every year, June 12. And our title will be
Unveiling the True Freedom Response of Independence Day.
Okay, so we have prepared here a question so that we will be guided for the rest of our podcast. So first question.
First question is when is the proclamation of the Philippine Independence Day?
So the Philippine Declaration of Independence Day was proclaimed by Filipino Revolutionary Forces, which named Emilio Aguinaldo on June 12, 1898. It declares the independence of the Filipino people from Spanish colonial rule and lists abuses under the Spanish rule dating back to the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan in 1531. So this year, we all know na we are colonized by the Spaniards for 333 years, but with the help of those we called heroes, the KKK or the
Kataas-taasang kagalang-galang katipunan ng mga anak.
So, with the help of those people that we consider as heroes na ilahang fight ang atuang freedom o dun sa inaan nato Lord, mao na ilahang fight sa una mabalik ang atuang rights, not just for the Filipino people but also for our country. So the next question will be, what are the positive and negative effects of independence in the modern Philippines?
So as like Mayet said earlier, na we will be celebrating Independence Day every June 12th. And this upcoming June 12th, on June 12th we'll be celebrating again and to celebrate our freedom and our national identity. So naagid siya kanang positive and negative effects sa atoa. So ang positive is it fosters a sense of national unity and pride, reminding citizens of their shared history and the sacrifices made for independence. It also serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggles for true independence from various forms of oppression, including economic and social inequalities. So, I have the next question is what is the essence of freedom?
So, before we answer this question, this podcast is not just about unveiling or explaining on what is the Independence Day or the Philippine Independence Day, but it is also a reminder for a wake-up call, especially to us youth, karong generation na wala na gihatagan og importansya ang gihatag na freedom sa atua, which gibuhat sa atong mga heroes nilang Emilio Aguinaldo and the rest of the KKK na ilahang gi-fight na mabalik ang atong freedom, not just for the Filipino people but also for our country. So kasagaran man jud sa mga bata karon kay wala na kaayo di matagan og importansya og unsay naa nga freedom nato, not just the youth but also the leaders in our society, the politics. For example, the politics karon kay free unta. We have the right to choose, we have the right to vote, we have the right to speak kung usang ato ang mga hinanakit. But our leaders sad usahay maoy abuse, corruptions, and anything sa atong mga economics. So usa sa amo ang topic give na i-unveil ang true essence sa freedom, which will be on June 12. We will be celebrating again our 127th year anniversary for the declaration and the proclamation of the Philippine Independence Day na unta ang mga batan-on kay tagaan ang importansya o unsay naa nato karon, unsay freedom na naa nato karon kay murag nakalimtan ang ginoo sa partner no. Okay. So to answer the question, what is the essence of freedom? So essentially, freedom is about being the architect of one's own existence, embracing the power to live authentically and own one's choices. So,
So same sa gingon ni Mayet nga kanang we are free na, and sa politics yatagan ta tungod na ng freedom, kanang yatagan ta og right to say, right to vote, and right to express our hinanakit sa mga katawan. And di ba tungod sa freedom nato, ang politics karon kay grabe na kayo, kanang mga corruption, so kanang dili kay siya maayo. And then since sa karong June 12, karong umaabot ang June 12 kay kanang we are encouraging all of you to give an importance to of our freedom, which is
i-honor ang freedom na naanato karon. And dili lang kay celebrate kay Independence Day, we will be happy kay holiday na naman, but I think we should we should be thankful sa ato ang mga heroes na ni-fight para ang freedom, and not just a freedom sa atong nationality, but also kung say makita nimo karon isa na sa rason nganong inanita ang Independence Day na. So sa youth, to all the youth out there, please tagaay og importansya freedom na naanak ka. So that's it for today's podcast.
thank you for listening, and
Bye.
bye.